just like a dictionary has words and their meanings. A dictionary is a data structure which contains data in the form of pairs of keys and values. A key and value pair forms an item in the dictionary. A key is usually a string. Items in a dictionary are separated by a comma. Note that the last item doesn't have a trailing comma. Key and value are separated by a colon. Items in a dictionary are enclosed within curly brackets. Dict1 is a dictionary which contains 3 items. First one is name with value XYZ. Second is age with a value 25. And hobby with value dancing. Let's see how we can access items in dictionary. The items in the dictionary are accessed using their keys. To access an item in the dictionary, we write the name of the dictionary followed by the key of the item we want to access inside square brackets. Thus, if we want to access the value of age, we must write. Writing print dict1 age will display 25. Similarly, writing print dict1 name will display XYZ. And writing print dict1 will display all the items. Note that the items are not in order, this because dictionaries are to be considered unordered data structures. If we try to access a key which is not present in the dictionary, we will encounter an error. In a dictionary, we can either add a new key value pair or update an existing one. To update an existing entry, we need to first access the item and then assign a new value to it. For instance, to update the value of name, we write. That's it. The name will be updated to contain value ABC. To add a new key value pair to the dictionary, we can use a key which is not present in the dictionary and assign a value to it. For instance, writing dict1 profession equals pilot will add a new key profession with the value pilot to dict1. And now, the updated dict1 will look like. Let's see how we can delete items in a dictionary. In a dictionary, we can either remove an individual item or the entire dictionary. To remove an individual item, del statement is used followed by the name of dictionary and key inside square brackets. The statement will remove the item with key name from the dictionary. To remove the entire dictionary, del statement is used followed by the name of the dictionary. We'll delete the entire dictionary. Instead of deleting the entire dictionary, we can also just remove all the items and empty the dictionary. To do so, we need to use clear function. Writing dict1.clear will remove all the items from dictionary dict1. If we write print dict1 after the clear statement, we will get, as output, indicating a dictionary with no items. We learned a dictionary is a data structure which contains pairs of keys and values separated by a comma and enclosed within curly brackets. To access any item in a dictionary, we can use dictionary name followed by key names inside square brackets. To update any item, we first access the item and assign it the value we want. To delete an item, we can use del statement followed by the dictionary name and key in brackets. To remove all the items, we can use clear function. And to delete entire dictionary, we can use del followed by the dictionary name.